Okay, so Seamus, when we were out on the walk, we had a few conversations. One was about mathematics, and you were asking about a googolplex. Okay, and what is a googolplex? So a Google is one with how many zeros?
100.
Yeah. So what's a googolplex, right?
Googleplex is with 1,000 zeros, isn't it?
I think it might be. Well, let's just see googolplex.
Google. Google.
Googolplex number. Okay, so yeah. So basically, a googolplex is a number 10 to the power of Google. Alright? And it says that equivalently 10. So it's a Google to the power of 10. Written out in ordinary decimal notation is a 1 followed by 10 by 100 zeros. That is a 1 followed by a Google of zeros. A Google of zeros.
A Googleplex and a Google of zeros behind it.
A googolplex. How many zeros in a googolplex number?
Here comes Buddy, I think.
Right, so it's a 1.
Yeah, here he is.
So a Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. A googolplex is the world's second largest number with a name.
1,000.
A1 is followed by a Google of zeros. Okay, so 100 by 100, and 100 by 100 is 10,000 zeros.
After it.
Yeah, I think so.
That's a lot.
The biggest number there is called Graham's number.
Graham's number.
Graham's number, yeah, that's what it's called. Graham's number is the biggest number, and Graham's number is bigger than the number of atoms in the observable universe, which is thought to be 10 to the power of 78 and 10 to the power of 82. Graham's number is also bigger than a googolplex, which Milton initially defined as a 1 followed by writing zeros until you get tired, but is now commonly accepted to be 10 to the Google equals 10 to 101,000 to 10,100. Yeah, 10 to 10,100 basically. So that's what we said. So basically, googolplex is a 1 with 10,000 zeros after it. You might get tired before you finish that. Okay, and then what's bigger than that is Graham's number, and Graham's number is so it's a Google, a googolplex, a googolplex, and then Graham's number is
and then infinity.
And then infinity. Yeah. So basically, let's go from the very start, right? So
after our Graham's number is infinity.
Yeah, because Graham's number is bigger, right? There's more in Graham's number than the number of atoms in the observable universe. Now think about it. There's trillions of atoms in your body. So basically, how many would be in the observable universe? A number you couldn't even say. You couldn't write it down. If you were to try and write it down, you'd spend the rest of your life writing and you'd still get nowhere near it.
Oh, I know the easiest way in the world to write infinity.
It's a symbol like 8. We're going to write that in your diary, right?
It has to be a symbol, because if you try to write it, it would take you the rest of your life.
Yeah, it would take infinity of time to write infinity numbers. We're in infinity, so basically.
And anyway, infinity had no beginning, no end.
Yeah.
So.
But if we're talking about numbers,
you'd be writing zeros forever if you tried.
Yeah, that's right, you would. And we said that Graham's number is the biggest number besides infinity. So Graham's number.
That's the second biggest number.
Yeah, and then googolplex is then below that. Then Google. Then a billion.
A billion.
Or a zillion, then a billion.
And a trillion and a trillion zillion.
Let's look at the numbers. Numbers.
To infinity.
Largest, smallest to largest.
To infinity.
The smallest length is called the Planck length. Max Planck was a famous physicist, and he did this.
It's recording.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Okay. Did you press pause then?
Sorry guys, I didn't realise.